Today, we're diving into a full review of Wi-Fi Cash Bot. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this.
Delivered instantly. Start using right now. First 25 only, tap into 2 billion extra buyers and free buyer traffic with our secret traffic source. We've unlocked an additional $1,000 in daily profits. Just $9.95 one time, normally $97. Even when you're logged out and offline. Grab a copy of Wi-Fi Cash Bot before the price increases. Click on any of the buttons on this page. Activate the Wi-Fi Cash Bot and select one of the 30-second AI-powered money-making methods like our famous one-click phone tap takes seconds. Just as easy as taking a shower. From the desk of Glenn. Location, Miami, United States, at the vacation condo. Dear future bot owner, Glenn here, alongside my partner Amelia. Let's not waste time. If you had to generate income today with just your phone and a Wi-Fi connection, could you pull it off? If you hesitated even a little, you're exactly who we made this for. Most people scroll away their days, broke, burnt out, and always one bad week from total chaos. But me and Amelia? We use the same phone as everyone else. Except instead of doom scrolling, we switch on the Wi-Fi Cash Bot and let it quietly run 5 passive income streams in the background. No talking. No selling. No biz to build. Just few clicks and the bot does the rest. You don't need skills, you don't need confidence, you just need a few seconds to activate the system and let the automation do what it's built to do. Now picture this. You wake up. Your account's empty. Bills are stacked. No plan. No backup. No lifeline. You're one scroll away from full-on panic mode. Most people freeze. They fold. They go right back to broke. But not you. You fire up Wi-Fi Cash Bot, and within minutes, it's doing exactly what we built it for. Stacking 5 streams of income on autopilot while you sit back and watch. No pitching. No branding. No face on camera. Just raw automation, running non-stop in the background. This isn't some guru fantasy. It's real. It's ruthless. And it's built for people who need results today, not someday. And that's just the warm-up. This isn't some dusty course. It's not a side hustle. And it damn sure isn't an online business. Wi-Fi Cash Bot is a fully automated income weapon designed to turn your phone into a 24/7 cash-producing machine in under 30 seconds flat. The tap. That's just the ignition. Once you launch the bot, it instantly triggers 5 independent income streams, working in sync like a digital hit squad. No products. No content. No tech. No hustle. Just one brutal little bot doing all the dirty work for you. You don't run this system. The AI bot does. You just tap to ignite it. Wi-Fi Cash Bot isn't an app and it's not a tool. It's a weaponized bot built to turn your phone into a full-blown income switch. Once you activate it, the bot handles everything. Quietly triggering multiple income streams behind the scenes while you do literally anything else. And it's not just us. Right now, regular people with no audience, no tech skills, no clue what they're doing, are watching this bot go to work for them. High voltage, no selling, no showing your face, skull, no pressure. Just a brutal little system stacking results, one stream at a time. On full autopilot. Briefcase: what Wi-Fi Cash Bot does. And why it works like crazy. Let's get something straight. Wi-Fi CashBot is a done-for-you automation monster custom built to stack multiple passive income streams, straight from your phone. The concept is savage and simple: backhand index pointing right, tap once. Activate the bot. Let it unlock 5 streams of hidden income all on its own. No setup. No selling. No stress. No weird apps. No learning curve. And that first 30-second tap? That's just the entry point. Inside the system are dozens of powerful income methods, too aggressive to list publicly, all designed to multiply results without you lifting a finger. If you've got Wi-Fi, a phone, and the guts to press go, you're ready. The bot's already wired to win. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.